so stop tweaking. Yeah. Everything she got on her own. Never needed nobody else. Now she all alone. Got her own car, crib, job. Yeah, she real grown. If you need some company, then just hit my phone.
Okay. Hey y'all. Coming to y'all with a quick video to show y'all how I get my curls to pop after my hair has been in a bun all week. I think I left my spray bottle at my old house, so we're filming in the bathroom so I can wet my hair. Yeah, my hair is usually in a bun Monday through Friday, and then Fridays usually after work. It's usually when I take it down. And you see how like this just looks like, look at this, look at my hair, like it just doesn't, it's not popping. So we finna get it together. Okay, this will be a real quick video, real quick and easy. Okay, so I'm finna just go ahead and wet it, and then I'll come back to y'all when it's wet. Okay, so I'm back. This is my hair and it's just wet. I'm just gonna go through and start brushing from the bottom and work my way up. Actually, I'm gonna do it in sections. I'm gonna just go ahead and do it in sections. And y'all see, like, y'all just seen how dry and crusty it was. And this is just from me wetting it. Like, I didn't even add any products in it. I usually don't. I mean, sometimes I do, but it's not needed. And I wear this to sleep. I wear it every day. I don't take it off, even though I can. And I just comb through. You see how easy it is? I'm not getting any tangling, nothing like. And it's been in a bun all week. Occasionally I'll take it down, but seldomly, like. And it's just from water. Like, look at these curls. Yeah, I love this hair. Like, I really do. I can't wait to sew this down though, because I'm tired of pulling it forward all the time. Because it be sliding back sometimes. And it be blowing me. Yeah. You know, getting the nape of the neck, where there's usually like, you could probably expect like trouble back there, but no. Look at this. And no product is in this hair, like none. And again, this is the longest is a 28-inch, and it touches the top of my butt. Oh yeah. Let me. No, this hair is already starting, like, I didn't wet it all the way to the top as like the other side, so the top is still dry. So if I get any tangles, that is why. But I doubt it's gonna be really anything. So yeah, I love this hair, y'all. Like, I love curly hair. I love the versatility of curly hair. Like, you can straighten it if you wanted to. And just look how it's gliding. And I have nothing in my hair, y'all. I'm even getting the crinkles and it's just gliding through. I love this hair. now I'm going to hurry up and figure them apart. If I want to keep it a middle part, how I want to do. I mean, I think I'm gonna keep it in the middle only because my baby hair is like already done did, and I don't feel like doing it over again. Let's see. But then I feel like I'll have to add. I really don't feel like doing all that. And plus it's already like, yeah, I'm gonna just leave it in the middle. Might as well, you know? It's already done. I mean, like, it's not, I have another wig I'm gonna do today, so. And y'all see I'm going through with a fine tooth comb. Look at this. Butter. Okay? Butter. Butter. Oh. And y'all just seen how dry and crusty it just was. Like, uh-oh. That one wasn't butter. What's right there? I think it's my thread. No. I don't know. That one wasn't butter. But look at this. Butter. And it dries. Like, look at this. I love this hair. Like, I love it. Y'all, I look so dry. I ain't got nothing on my face, y'all. I'm barefaced as fuck. Okay. So now that I got it, the part and everything how I want it, make sure it's covering that. I'm gonna go in with my mousse and just go over everything. I guess I'll keep this one apart. I'm just gonna go with my mousse. Y'all know, a lot of body. And I'm just gonna go through it. Like, I literally just got off work, so I'm like, before I even try to do it, just started to do my hair, let me record so y'all can see how I get it to be back popping for the weekends. Like, I posted on Facebook earlier this week. I'm like, look, okay, I only get 2 days out of the week to be fine all day. So guess what? Every weekend, I'm gonna make sure I be fine all day. I don't care if I'm just staying in the house. Guess what? I'm gonna be fine all day in the house. You feel me? So, period. Get on. And as y'all know, curly hair sheds. It sheds, like, but this hair doesn't shed excessively. Like, this is literally all the shedding I got. I'm gonna just run my fingers through, and this still from last. Let me clean off my fingers first, my hands first. I'm gonna clean off my hands and I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Yeah, and these are my hands. I'm just gonna rake through. And that's what I got from that side, and that's why I got from that side. So it doesn't really shed much. It shades because it's curly hair. That's what it does, but it doesn't. It's not excessive shedding. Like it should never be excessive shedding. But all hair sheds. Don't let nobody tell you that it don't, because even your real hair shed. Okay. So if your real hair even sheds, what makes you think somebody else's hair or weave extensions is not gonna shed? Like, come on now. You gotta be realistic. There are ways to prevent shedding. They got weft sealant or seal. Like you can seal your wefts with certain products. Now you can do that. You definitely can, and it will help with the shedding. But guess what? It's still gonna shed. So and this, I'm just brushing through to just like mush everything together. Like, yeah, this is gonna dry so beautifully. Like, it's gonna be so beautiful. But yes, so that's literally all I do. I don't have to do much at all. Like, that's it. And then I'm gonna put it behind the ear. Probably get my baby hairs in order. Make it look like, you feel me, it's really doing something. I miss my side part though. I don't know, y'all. I think I want my side part back. Let's see. That's not it. I think I just found it. Hey, boo. Y'all see her? Hey, I don't see you. I think I just changed it though, so I don't even know why I'm acting like my hair hasn't been in the side part during. I think I just changed it like probably this morning, y'all. I'm just extra. Okay. So now that is over with. I'm just gonna go in and do my baby hairs, you know, per usual. But, yes, I'll come back when I'm done with baby hairs and stuff and show y'all. Okay, so this is pretty much it. The ends are dry. Everything else just needs to get dry, but you already see like it's drying beautifully, and like this hair is just like, it's so soft, y'all. Like, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. This ain't know the ends are dry because they're just, yeah, this is so soft. Like, I love it. This is the perfect hair for the summertime, y'all. Perfect hair, and it's gonna just get, well, it could stay like this because I added mousse in it, but I'm gonna play with it as it's drying, so that way it can get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. You feel me? So y'all know I look dusty. It's okay though. When y'all see this next video, y'all gonna be like, ooh, okay, don't trip. Okay, I just got off work. So I'm a little dusty right now, but it's only momentarily, only for a little bit. I gotta finish making this wig. Oh shit! But yeah, y'all see, like, it's just, yeah, all this hair is just lovely. Y'all, oh, excuse me, y'all. I got this allergy season is amongst us, okay? And I definitely feel it. Like, I've been feeling it. But just look, like, And I feel like this is helping it dry. I don't know why. But I feel like I do. I feel like it's helping it dry right now. I really feel like it's helping it dry. And these girls. I can't get over this hair, y'all. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. But yeah, so this is what I do to get my hair to look back bomb after it's been in a rusty, dusty bun, braided bun. Sometimes regular, well, most of the time it's braided bun because I don't want it to be all over the place. Like with this hair, it'll be all over the place. So I usually just braid it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my hair for work with weave. I'm gonna film that video so that way y'all can see how I do it. Well, with the wig on and not sewing. It's different. It's different, okay? It looks differently when you have a sew-in than when you have on a wig. But, yep. So, yeah, this is it. It's drying more and more as we talk. Like, it's drying super fast. That's the crazy thing. Like, it's drying super fast. And it just looks bomb. But, yeah, so stay tuned for all my other videos that are coming up because I'm so excited about these next 2 videos. So I'm gonna get y'all to see, come in. So I'm about to do this wig and I'm gonna leave it in the state that it's in for the one video. And then the next video, I'm gonna color it. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all 2 different looks with the same wig, you feel me? So yes, y'all get ready because it's on and popping, period. Okay? Yeah, I know I look crazy right now. I look dry as fuck. I need my eyebrows redone. I need my eyelashes done. I need to look like, wake up, sis. It's Friday, it's hot outside, it feels good. Like, wake up. What are you doing? Okay, wake up. Hey, let me go ahead. Better go get my baby. But yeah, y'all, thank you for watching. Yeah, stay tuned for the next videos because they're about to be lit. But yeah. So all right, y'all, bye.
You want mine too, so stop tweaking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Everything she got on her own, never needed.